you a beginner looking for the best investment options? We've got you covered. Here are the 5 most profitable and beginner-friendly investment options. But before we start, please like video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Robina, for more videos. 1. Index funds. Index funds offer a low-cost and easy way to invest in the stock market. They track a market index, such as the S&P 500, and give you a diverse portfolio without the need to choose individual stocks. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without buying a property outright. They provide stable and consistent income through rental payments and often have low investment minimums. 3. High-yield savings account. High-yield savings accounts offer a low-risk option for beginner investors. They offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts and allow your money to grow over time. 4. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks provide a regular income in the form of dividends. You can choose from a range of companies, from established blue-chip stocks to growth-oriented firms. 5. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs offer a diverse portfolio of investments and can be traded like individual stocks. They can provide exposure to different markets and asset classes. Remember, investing always involves some level of risk. It's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. These 5 investment options are a great starting point for beginner investors. Thanks for watching.